In today's video, I'll show you how to make money online while you sleep. Yes, you heard that correctly. In this video, I'm going to show you how to earn over $1,000 in PayPal money with just an internet connection and a phone or computer. If you want to learn more about what I'm talking about, stick around until the end. This method is 100% free, safe, and legal. It can be used in any country on earth, so pay attention to everything I'm going to say, because in the middle, I'll give you some helpful ideas and recommendations. This will be an easy way to make money online in 2021. I'll show you how to leverage the best and most effective platforms to make money quickly. Stay tuned and watch the video until the end if you're interested. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online on a daily basis. So make sure you finish watching the video and stay tuned whenever we release a new method so you can be the first and one of the first to try it out. Like and comment down below. It will help us with the YouTube algorithm and will reach a larger audience. Before I show you anything, please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you want to be notified whenever I upload a new video, click on that red subscribe button and switch on notifications, and you'll be notified anytime I submit a new video. With that said, let's get right into the tutorial. Okay, now if you don't already have a PayPal account, you should open one as soon as possible, because that's where you'll be able to receive online payments as I indicated in the beginning. To do so, go to paypal.com and sign up for a free account by clicking Sign Up Now. Then, you'll be taken to this screen where you must choose Personal Account. Simply fill in the relevant personal information and you've successfully set up your own PayPal account, which you'll be able to receive payments through. Just take a look at all the money I received as a result of this method. Now, keep an eye out because you could be the next person to earn as much money. With that said, I'd like you to visit our first website of the day. That is right here in front of your screens, and it looks like this. Now, in exchange for a little fee, the site assists others with their websites or Google advertisements in order to generate traffic. This website now reveals your most successful competitor's search marketing secret recipe. If you use Platform to look up any domain, you'll be able to see every location they've been on Google, every term they've used in Google Ads, and every ad variation they've run in the last 15 years. That is to say, this gadget spies in more successful competitors and allows people to copy their success, hence the nickname SpyFu. Now, this may appear to be a bit confusing and intimidating at this point, but please stick with me since first and foremost, we will not be paying for this tool, and finally, it's not nearly as complicated as it appears. So once you've arrived at your homepage, I need you to scroll down to the bottom and click on Affiliates under the Useful Links category. This website is now a terrific product to promote as an affiliate, and it's mostly due to the recurring commissions, which pays out a rate of 40% for the rest of your life. So if someone you referred to this website pays for a year, you'll get 40% of what they paid on this website, which is a tremendous win. That being said though, if you haven't already figured it out, applying as an affiliate on this platform pays off big cash. However, you won't have to worry about how to obtain traffic and get a lot of people to recommend others to this website, because I'll show you how to do that later on in the video. Anyway, if you continue scrolling down, you'll find additional information about the affiliate program. As you can see, they have a 365-day monitoring cookie, which means you'll get paid if someone clicks on your affiliate link and signs up within 365 days. The next thing you'll notice is that you'll get paid twice a month, and because the majority of you want to be paid by PayPal, it is crucial that you have the option of receiving payment via PayPal or wire transfer. As you can see, this platform allows you to earn money in completely passive manner. Additionally, you can read here that this website's clients seldom quit with a turnover rate of less than 4%. Therefore, your recurring commissions still have genuine value. This tells us how much potential this service has, because most of the people you refer here will continue to use it, and this might be one of the website's best aspects. Now, if you want to start making money as an affiliate on our secret tool of the day, scroll up and click the Start Earning Every Month link to acquire your own affiliate link. I said I'd show you where you can acquire traffic only a few minutes ago, right? So I'm going to tell you how to get a lot of people to visit this website using your own affiliate link so that you can make money, but first, have a look at what this website has to offer in terms of pricing. As you can see, there are 3 distinct options available on this site: Basic, Professional, and Team plans. Annual and monthly payment choices are available for all three, with the annual option being significantly cheaper. However, I'd like to point out that the professional pricing plan is the most popular, as it's neither too pricey nor too inexpensive. Consider the following scenario. If you bring 10 individuals here and they all choose the annual professional pricing or professional plan, the website will cost you roughly $7,900, and because you get 40% of that revenue, you'll make $3,200 for just 10 people. So now you realize how much potential money you may make with this website. Now, isn't that fantastic? If you guys are enjoying this video, please like and share it with your friends. Hit the red subscribe button and leave a comment down below. I'd really appreciate it if you guys liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video stating, "I will make money online," we'll post a terrific new video next week that might be even cooler than this, where you can get money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,000 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. Now that you have an idea that you need tons of people to buy a subscription plan for you to earn money, let's move on to the challenging part, and that is by gathering and convincing traffic. To begin, go to google.com and type weight loss into the search box. Then you'll need to look for articles about weight loss that will offer your screens with advertisements. Now, we're doing this because we'll turn those ad providers or advertisers into customers. Keep in mind that you'll need to look for articles on the second or third page of Google's results. The reason for this is that the advertisers on the second and third pages aren't as well known, so their advertising isn't as well supported. That is why we'll be recommending our secret tool of the day to those companies, because they are advertising firms and they are likely to have huge budgets, which means you can market today's website membership lens and receive 40% of all the successful subscription plans. As an example, consider this advertiser. After you've found the advertiser you want to get in touch with using the information you've discovered, you can contact them via email or by trying to call them if you have their number on their contact info. Now, when you speak to them, make sure to point out the features of the website of today and explain why they should subscribe to the platform. Give them a look at the price plans and suggest what you believe would be best for them. However, that wasn't the only method I have for you today. You can also visit infinitesuggest.com if you wish to take a different strategy to generate traffic. Basically, these tools will be quite beneficial to you because it will provide you with keyword recommendations. If you enter in weight loss, for example, it will display all of these results, and each time I enter one of them, different adverts appear, allowing you to promote our Today's Secret website's subscription plans once more to those advertisers. You won't be able to run out of possible clients in this manner, and you'll be able to easily find many more. Simply repeat the process over and over again to earn thousands of dollars possibly, and that sums up today's tutorial. But before we end this, the URL of our secret tool of today's video was at spyfu.com. Just type in spyfu.com on your browser and make money online. Alright, well that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it until the end of this video, just know that you'll start making money if you decided to step up. Don't let your emotions control you. Get up and start following whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you did make it to the end, I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure to check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do, just like to my channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications, and like this video. If you want to see more money making videos, click on the next video as shown on the screen following this tutorial. Okay, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.